Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will show how you can work with the dataset from fifa19. It can be downloaded from this link. If you go into my link here and from the video, you go into this site. If you're a user on Kregel, you can use a new kernel, or you can download the dataset so you can play offline with it. I have downloaded it, so I can use my own machine for it, but you can of course build a new kernel and then try around with it privately. So let's go back and let's continue in this video, and this is the part number 1. I will show how you can load in the dataset from Panda, and how we can group, and how we can make a count and a mean. Use the Panda group by. This video series is only for beginning, so if you are a hardcore Panda user, then I will not recommend this video, but I will show you how you can play around with it. So this is very basic. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching. So let's begin. We need to import pandas as PD, and then we can load in our data frame, say df is equal to PD, and read the CSV file. I've placed the CSV file in the folder behind, and then I will say the head. Now you can see we have 5 columns, and then we have 89 columns here. So we can, if we have everything, if I remove the head here, you get a lot of more data. So you can see there should be around 80,000 columns, but I only need the first 5, so that's what we want here. We have the ID on the player. We have the name, Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, and then we have an image here, the link, what country it's coming from, what clubs it's playing from, and overall, and we have a lot of stuff here. What I will show you in this part is how we can group by the nationality, like Spain, Brazil, Portugal, and how we can count how many players the country have, and how is the average of the age. So first we want to do down here after we have imported the data frame. I will make a df group here, and then I will filter out and say what is we working with. We only need the nationality, and then I need the ID because I will count on the ID, and then I will count on age here. If we go down here and say df bro and say head, you will see we already now have filtered out what we're working with. Then I will use group by, and inside here I'll use the nationality, and now we can group, and you get everything down here, 666. That's how many different nationalities we have. I will use the average, and then we're going down inside the dictionary and say on the field ID, I want to make a subgroup and build the count, and then on the age I need to subgroup it on the mean. If we do it here, you can see we have different here from Afghanistan and Angola, and the average of the player age is 22.5. So now we have grouping it on the nationality, and then we have a subgroup here. It could be very hard to work with, so what we want, it's flattened out again, so we can basically just do it this way. Say df group columns is equal to df group values, and then I have a mistake. Here we go. And again, we just build a new head so you can see. Now we have the id underscore count and the age underscore mean. That's meaning what we're doing is we have the id and the count and age mean because it's having a sub index. So if you desire to do more here, let's do the max and minimum. Then we have the maximum age and the minimum age here. We go down, then we have more fields to filter on. So that's perfect. That's what we want. Now we have flattening out the groups again, and now we are ready for the next part. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will see with the next video where we will play a little around again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you want to subscribe. You can subscribe to pressing the thing below in the right corner. If you have any questions, please make the questions in the comments fields below, and then I will try to answer as fast as possible. And I hope you want to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy playing with pandas with the FIFA data. Thank you so much. See you next time.